Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Just Live video. Today I want to give away a $150 gift card from Vejo. They have been very special to me. I've been using this product for a while now. It's been a great way for me to get in the right amount of nutrients in my system early in the morning. So now I want to be able to share this same experience with you by giving away this gift card. My favorite blend has been the clean greens. Today I want to try out the mixed berry, see how it tastes. This is very easy to make. As you can see here, you have your pod-based blend, which says mixed berry here. They say to squeeze the edges just in case of any clumps or anything. You want to make sure none of it clumps up. All right, after you do that, peel it. You can see very sustainable. They have a way so it opens up. Open up the blender here. As you can see, it's pretty cool. You have the blender inside. Put some cold water inside. They have a fill line, so make sure you pay attention to that. Alright, put the pod in. Make sure it's on right. Close. Now you can hear it. You'll see it beeping green. It takes about 30 seconds. This is like super cool. I really love the material of this. It's so smooth. It has like, it feels like I'm holding like a Beats pill. It's really cool. This is actually the Bayern Munich edition. It's a special edition that goes for 150 bucks. I love this version. So if you win, you get a chance to actually buy the Bayern Munich edition, which is really cool. All right, it's done. 30 seconds is up. Pull the pod out. You see it opened up. Tastes really good. Now I'm gonna pour it in the cup. Alright, so this is the mixed berry flavor. I want to try it out for the first time. See how it tastes. Wow. This is actually really good. What does this have for flavors? Let's see. For the mixed berry, they have dry red grape, dried blackberry, dried blueberry, dried strawberry, and dried raspberry. Every type of berry, they have it. Enough about how much I love it. Let's talk about this giveaway. If you guys want a chance to win this $150 gift card, first thing I would like you to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel and show some love. The next thing I want you to do is to comment #Vejo down in the comments down below to make sure I know you want to be a part of this. Also, anyone who uses my link down below to purchase a starter kit has a higher chance of winning the $150 gift card. Super simple, it's really easy. I track whoever uses the link below and I can make my drawing from there. I will announce the winner on Friday, July 24th. Alright guys, so good luck to everybody entering the giveaway. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.